This is Springdale. It is a place absolutely unique in this area of Kansas. It's like picking up a little bit of Arkansas and moving it right into Kansas. I'm Beth Vanatta, addressing you with the desire to change this little farm into an art and nature center. So I want to dedicate this 48 acres to that cause. I'm an artist, 81 years old, and for years I've been teaching sculpture, teaching jewelry. I've been gifting my knowledge. I believe all knowledge should be shared willingly, caringly, to this vision of an art and nature center. Let me tell you what I am giving. I am giving this 48 acres. I am contributing what buildings are already here. The studio, transformed by myself from a state-of-the-art chicken house, is well stocked with enough equipment not just to use individually, but to teach anything from 12 to 20 people at a time, doing stone carving, doing metal sculpture because I have the oxyacetylene equipment, doing jewelry because I have all of the jewelry equipment in multiple, and I have a great deal of ceramic equipment. I have the expertise to help with that until I'm no longer capable to help with that. And I am giving to you a lifetime's collection of sculpture. I'm giving you paintings of mostly fairly local artists. This farm along this creek on this side is absolutely gushing with springs. Just down the hill here is my spring house. It's been the water source since it was homesteaded in 1889 by Coonskin Miller. The trees are so unusual for this area and so inviting. This is right on the line for the monarch butterflies to come through. Many of the birds that the bird watchers are searching for are here. And out across the creek in the back area, there is a natural amphitheater that hollows down that musicians have told me would be perfect. With any project like this, it's about location, location, location. We are right next door to Spring Lake Camping Center. We are about 4 miles out of Halstead, Kansas on Highway US 50, well-traveled road. Every summer they have Old Settlers Picnic, which draws in people from everywhere. Beautiful, amazing swinging bridge across the Little Arkansas River. They have a health museum, a historical museum that has some really amazing history of this country. The railroad passes right through Halstead, right by the historical museum and into Newton. We are 10 miles from Newton, Kansas. 35 miles from here is Wichita, Kansas. I raised my 5 adopted children here on this farm. They've all done reasonably well. They're special to me. But now I see a new vision for this farm. I want this to go down to generation after generation. I see it for people to share their caring and their knowledge. My dream is to get enough financial backing and enough physical help to make this a reality. My time to enjoy this is limited. Let's make this an art and nature center to be looked at and loved and pursued by people throughout the United States and perhaps throughout the world. Let's do it together. Come help me now.